I took two gold disposable plates and I stuck them together at the back so that it would look like it's an open shell. This heart-shaped container was my inspiration for this project. I put double-sided tape underneath the container and I secured it to the top of the plate. I found this awesome jewelry tray. To complement this, I am adding a gold photo frame. To personalize it, you can add your own picture, or if it's a couple, you can add a couple's picture. Use your flower of choice. I chose two rose silk flowers and I just stuck them on the bottom of the plate. To complete this, I'm going to add some chocolate and then it's done. This is a perfect gift for a proposal or an engagement.